Hey guys, how you doing? Julie here with one more video. So today I'd like to do something special and different because last month on February 14th was the last day of my one of the professor who taught me at the Osaka University when I did my master's degree there from 98 to 2002. And so this is my way going to Osaka University. The train just took off from Toyonaka Station, which is 2 stations before the station where Osaka University is located, which is called, at the time I studied at Osaka University, it was called Ishibashi Station. Characters for stone and bridge, but it changed to Ishibashi Handai Mae. So if you're not familiar with university names in Japanese, so it's Osaka Daigaku, but they get only usually 2 characters of the university name and make into a combination. It's Handai, because Han is the character for Saka, which means slope, and Dai is from Daigaku University. So but usually the reading changes. So Handai. So for Tokyo University, Tokyo Daigaku, it'll be Todai. And for instance, Kyoto University, Kyoto Daigaku, Kyodai. But yeah, so I'm on my way to by the way, this is close to where we're passing right now. Is close to where I used to live, which is a place called Hotaru Gaike. Hotaru means firefly and Ike means pond. So even though I never saw firefly where I lived, so I lived in this neighborhood for 6 years when I came to Japan in 98. And by the way, this train, which I'm at the moment of the video, it's called, this line is called Hankyu. It has this kind of a vine color, kind of a reddish, kind of a wine color. So this is probably, are we already here? So is this, which station is this? Probably this is the station, the place where I used to live, Hotaru Gaike. So I can hear the audio now. But the station where we're going to, sorry, I got a little hay fever, so my voice is a little husky. Sorry about this, I was a little messed up. So I think we're leaving now. So sorry about this. This hay fever is horrible. This is something I don't like about Japan. The weather here is just horrible. We have a harsh winter, and after winter, this is Hotaru Gaike. This is where I used to live. Yeah, getting trains for here like for 6 years, almost every day. So I miss the station a lot. Yeah, but Japan, it's cold in winter. So from it starts approximately in November, December, and to March is cold. When it gets a little better, you start having all this pollen. Yeah, this is Hotaru Gaike. So this is really close to where I used to live. Really close. So on the left, on the right here, you can see some pillars. So this is the monorail. This pillars that you see. Yeah, almost close to Ishibashi Station. But usually I didn't get on the train to go to university, because I lived, actually the place where I lived was between Hotaru Gaike Station and Ishibashi, or now Ishibashi Handai Mae. So I'm always there. Why is it getting slow? Yeah, we're getting there. Yeah, almost at Ishibashi Station. So this day was really a very special day. So the weather was nice. I was really anxious to see my friends I hadn't seen for years and years. So from the time I graduated, I didn't meet anyone who studied with me. So on this day, I was really looking forward to seeing a German friend. I think you'll see him in the next video. Yes, that's me see on the almost getting off. So I don't like recording people's faces, because I don't like being recorded, and likewise I don't record people's faces. So probably the videos it'll be a little difficult to watch, because I'll be recording probably just looking at the ground most of the time. So yeah, getting off at I think it got to here we are, Ishibashi Station, or Ishibashi Handai Mae. Yeah, so recently I don't use tickets. There's a card in which you put money. So it's called Ikoka. It's kind of a pun, which means Ikoka means shall we go. So this is the name of the cards that you use to go somewhere. So Yeah, so this is the Ishibashi station. You used to get off a lot here. There's some stores here. This is a shopping street here. So this is the way to Osaka University. Yeah, pass here a lot, many times. So really miss this place. Yeah, I should maybe turn the camera a little. Yeah, yeah, could it point it a little more yeah, towards people, but I don't like doing that. So I apologize about this, because I don't like people getting angry at me or have some trouble with people. Sorry, yeah, it's not fun to see the ground, but I don't like people recording my face. Yeah, so yeah. So this area, by the way, this city here is called Toyonaka. This is where I lived for 6 years, from 98 to 2004. Toyonaka is a city which is located in the northern part of Osaka. Actually, it's close to Hyogo Prefecture. Hyogo is a prefecture where Kobe is located. So for you who know a little about Japan, in 95, sorry, about 30 years ago, there was a big earthquake here in Kansai.
So hey guys, I think I can talk now because there's not a lot of people around me. Going to Osaka University,
probably from here, be
where I
able
studied,
to see more clearly. Oh, the
where I
train's coming.
graduated
Sorry about
23 years ago here in Toyonaka,
So yeah, when I
Osaka.
came by train, I got off here and walked this street here on the way to Osaka University. Just go all this way up, and
So
you
just got
get
off at
to Osaka
station called
University.
Ishibashi.
Wow, so by the time I make this video, so I think I hadn't been here for yeah, more than 20 years, because after I graduated, I had no reason to come here anymore. Yeah, 2002.
So I studied here
Yeah,
for
I didn't
4
come
years.
here anymore.
So
I think
from
I only
98
came to
to
Osaka University
2002.
after graduated. I think at 2008. So 6 years after I graduated. So this is the second time I come here after I finished my master's degree in 2002. Yeah. So yeah, that's the slope here. Traffic light, which you see, of course. Yeah, it's a nice walk. Oh, yeah. It's about, I think it's 10 minutes from the station to Osaka University. Yeah, it's a nice walk. Sometimes I came by train, but yeah, but mostly I think I came by bicycle. When it was too cold, I got on the train. Yeah, so this is a street called 176 that goes from, my God, where does it come from? It goes all the way, if you take a right here, you go to Hyogo. So you can get all the way to a place called Takarazuka, which is a place where there's there's a kind of feminine theater, yeah, kind of a dance group formed by women who portray men. Takarazuka, I think it's called Takarazuka Reveal. If you take a left here, I think you go into the center of Osaka. Yeah. Sorry, it's the opposite. If you take a left, you go to Takarazuka, and if you take a right, you go to Osaka City. Yeah, so my way here, so I pass here every day. I couldn't remember the stores anymore. I knew that, I think if you go a little here, you see a bicycle store. I think it was there at the time I studied. Yeah, but it didn't change so much. So I can still recognize the place. Sorry, I'm talking too much here, but I try to do
yeah,
this
apparently
type of video.
didn't change so much.
I having trouble recording my face or commenting because
still there.
I having trouble with my computer.
I haven't been here for over 20 years.
My hard disk got broken, and I don't have so much space. So I'm trying to make a video that doesn't take so much space. So yeah, so this is the slope all the way to Osaka University. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be stopping really soon. So I'll show you just the entrance. But anyway, I thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked, don't forget to hit like. I'm going to divide the video, otherwise it's going to be too long. So please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share the content, and you can support me being a member of the channel, or you can support me on Patreon, PayPal. Yeah, that's it. If you want to study Japanese, you can buy my Japanese course. Yeah, I'm going to stop here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.